Hello and welcome to Story Stop with Reading Rena. Today I have a campfire song for you called Black Socks. This one has a verse and then a little bit of a chorus. We're going to start by learning the verse. Okay, so it goes like this. Black socks, they never get dirty. The longer you wear them, the stronger they get. Sometimes I think about laundry, but something inside me says don't send them yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet. So the verse is the black socks part. The chorus, or the repeat, is the not yet, not yet. So imagine once you've all sung the verse together, one half of the people at your campfire split off and they just keep singing not yet, like this. Not yet, 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 not yet. All right, so we're going to try it. You can try to sing the not yets, or you can sing along with me on the verse. Are you ready? Black socks, they never get dirty. The longer you wear them, the stronger they get. Sometimes I think about laundry, but something inside me says don't send them yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet. One more time. Not black socks, they never get dirty. The longer you wear them, the stronger they get. Sometimes I think about laundry, but something inside me says don't send them yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet.